Can you explain your understanding of enterprise risk management and its importance for organizations? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your understanding and importance of enterprise risk management principles for organizations. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, enterprise risk management is a holistic approach to identifying, assessing, and mitigating risk across an organization. It involves identifying risks that may impact the achievement of strategic objectives, assessing their potential impact and likelihood, and implementing strategies to manage or mitigate them. Enterprise risk management is important because it enables organizations to proactively identify and address risk that enhance decision making processes and safeguard value for stakeholders. Question number 2. How do you prioritize and categorize risk within an enterprise risk management framework? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your methodology for prioritizing and categorizing risk based on its potential impact and likelihood to the organization. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, in prioritizing risk within an enterprise risk management framework, I consider factors such as the magnitude of potential impact, the likelihood of occurrence, and the organization's risk appetite. Risks are categorized based on their nature. For example, there are strategic risk, financial risk, operational risk, compliance risk. All these types of risk allows us to allocate resources effectively and focus on managing risk that pose the greatest threat to the organizational objectives. Question number 3. Can you provide an example of how you have implemented an enterprise risk management program in a previous role? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your practical experience in designing, implementing, and managing enterprise risk management programs, as well as your ability to apply enterprise risk management concepts in a real world context. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, in my previous role, I led the development and implementation of an enterprise risk management program for a multinational corporation. This involved conducting a comprehensive risk assessment to identify and prioritize risk across business units and functional areas. I collaborated with key stakeholders to develop risk mitigation strategies, establish risk tolerance threshold, and integrate risk management practices into decision making processes. By fostering a risk aware culture and implementing robust risk governance mechanism, we were able to enhance the organization's resilience and protect value for stakeholders. Question number 4. How do you ensure alignment between enterprise risk management and strategic objectives of the organization? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your ability to integrate enterprise risk management practices with strategic planning processes and ensure that risk management efforts are aligned with the organizational goals. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I ensure alignment between enterprise risk management and strategic objectives by integrating risk management considerations into strategic planning processes. Basically, this involves conducting risk assessments to identify risks that may impact strategic objectives, assessing risk tolerance levels, and aligning risk management strategies with strategic priorities. By fostering collaboration between risk management and business units, we ensure that risk management efforts support the organization's overall mission and vision. Question number 5. How do you measure the effectiveness of an enterprise risk management program? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your understanding of key performance indicators and metrics that is used to evaluate the effectiveness of enterprise risk management programs, and more importantly, your ability to measure and monitor risk management outcomes. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I measure the effectiveness of an enterprise risk management program by tracking key performance indicators such as risk exposure, risk mitigation effectiveness, and the organization's overall risk profile. I also conduct periodic reviews and assessments to evaluate the implementation of risk management strategies, identify areas for improvement, and measure progress towards achieving risk management objectives. By monitoring trends and performance metrics, we can continuously refine and enhance the ERM program to adapt to changing risk landscapes and organizational needs. Question number 6. How do you foster a risk aware culture within an organization to promote proactive risk management practices? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your ability to cultivate a culture of risk awareness and encourage stakeholders to actively participate in identifying and managing risk. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, fostering a risk aware culture begins with leadership commitment and clear communication about the importance of risk management. I engage with the stakeholders across all levels of the organization to raise awareness about potential risk and their impact on organizational objectives. I encourage open communication channels for reporting risk and provide training and resources to empower employees to identify and escalate risk effectively. By promoting transparency, accountability, and a shared responsibility for risk management, we create a culture where proactive risk identification and mitigation become ingrained in day to day operations. Question number 7. How do you ensure ongoing monitoring and continuous improvement of the enterprise risk management program? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your approach to maintaining the relevance and effectiveness of the ERM program over time, as well as your commitment to continuous improvement. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I establish a robust framework for ongoing monitoring and evaluation of the ERM program, which includes regular risk assessments, performance reviews, and stakeholder feedback mechanism. I leverage technology and automation tools to streamline data collection and analysis, allowing for real-time monitoring of risk indicators and trends. Additionally, I conduct periodic reviews and audits to assess the effectiveness of risk management strategies and identify areas for enhancement. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement and learning, we ensure that the ERM program evolves to address emerging risk and organizational needs effectively. So there you have it, 7 most important commonly asked enterprise risk management interview questions along with their sample answers. I have already uploaded a lot of useful videos on enterprise risk management that can also help you a lot in your interview preparation. The link is in the description of this video. Always remember that practice makes perfect, so take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also gives a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.